Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and on my last videos I talked about all these previous indicators, and on this video I'm going to be talking about the CM Ultimate MA MTF by Chris Moody. CM Ultimate MA MTF by Chris Moody. And you can just click on it, and as you can see, it is a moving average. It is a moving average, and what the moving average does is just it tells you the price, the average price within a certain period of time. That's how the moving average works. And you can use the moving average to know when to get out of a trade or know when to get in. So you can see over here, when the price crosses below the moving average, then it's a good time to get in. And you can see over here that the moving average turns red. That's the time to start selling. And when the price crosses above the moving average, that's the time to get out of a particular trade. So that's just how it works to get in and to get out of a particular trade. So that's just basically the use of moving average. And you can also use the moving average to detect trend also. Like when you have your 200 moving average, when the price is below, you are in a sell trend, and when the price is above, you are in a buy trend. So that's just basically how the moving average works. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post another video like this. And you'll get notified when I upload my next video. So I'm Ben Masters Premium Trading, and bye for now.